Raise your hand. What is the meaning of impressed system? What is the meaning of impressed system? Always these 5 people only answer. Others just don't participate. Now, Rami. So now, every month fixed amount of petty cash in the beginning is maintained. So whatever amount is spent in the last month will be given by main cashier to the petty cashier in the next month. Is everyone clear with this? Now, how to pass the journal entries for this? Understand it. First of all the petty expenses are expenses. So what will be the rule for that? Debit all expenses and losses. All the petty expenses are expenses, debit all expenses and losses. So all the petty expenses account we will debit. Okay. And presently we have to pass the entry from main cashier point of view. Means what journal entry will be passed by the main cashier. So at the end of the month, when petty cashier gives the petty cash book to the main cashier to get the reimbursement on the next day morning. Suppose August 5,000 rupees is spent. Then petty cashier will give it to the main cashier. So what will main cashier do? All the expenses he will record in his books of accounts. Debit all expenses and losses. All expenses account he will debit. An amount he has to pay to petty cashier next day. Main cashier has to give that amount to petty cashier on the next day. So amount is payable to petty cashier. Credit the payable. Petty cashier account we will credit. This entry will pass at the end of the month when petty cashier gives the cash book to main cashier. And then 1st September he will pay that 5,000 to petty cashier. So 1st September petty cashier is the receiver. Debit the receiver. Petty cashier account debit. And cash goes out. Credit what? Goes out to cash account. Did you understand it? So what entries will be passed by whom? Main cashier. Impressed system petty cash book journal. Who will be passing these journal entries? Yes, main or chief cashier. Okay, what entries he is going to pass? First of all, at the end of the month. That means if we are making petty cash book for August, then on 31st August, what entry will be passed by the main cashier? All expenses are expenses, debit all expenses and so all the petty expenses account he will debit. An amount is payable to petty cashier, credit the payable so to petty cashier account. And at the beginning of next month, he will pay that amount. So at the beginning of next month, petty cashier is the receiver, debit the receiver, petty cashier account, debit, and cash goes out, credit what? Goes out to cash account. For 2 marks, this can be asked in your exams. 1 mark each journal entry. For 3 marks also they can ask, then 1.5 mark each journal entry. Did you understand this? So write down this in the summary. Any confusions with this? All are clear with the 2 journal entries? For 2 marks or 3 marks it can be asked in exams. This month the marathon test will be of BO subject. So verify from Suketu sir which topics etc. are included. Next Friday it is. Next Friday it will be 60-80 marks. He will declare that. Okay. And also the main test before your first term exams will be conducted here on 10, 12, 14 and 16th of October with 1 day gap each for the preparation. Your exams are starting from 19th October. Okay, so 10, 12, 14, 16 and 17 and 18 again you get for the preparation. Just 1 minute, let me finish first. I know it's Navratri but then we are helpless because if we kept the test too early, then Navratri will be sufficient to wind up in hello. So, and moreover it should not be a trouble because in schools you will be having Navratri vacation and you have gap in between. So, I am not saying don't go for the Garba, definitely go for the Garba. Then only you get good marks. So, enjoy that, but then after coming home you can sleep until late morning, then no classes will be there. So, whole day you can prepare for that. In between 1 day gap is also there. And prepare it so that your exams burden also is not there. Did you get the point? Yes, Aneri? Okay. Then you come during that time and attend the video lectures and cover up the portion you missed out. Okay, or else after Navaratri also you can come, because during those days video lecture cannot be seen, they will be giving the test. Otherwise they will also attend answers. Yes, now question number 12 on page 170. Page 170, question number 12. Lot of noises coming, silence. See that? The following, did you take it out? The following information has been obtained. The following information has been obtained in respect of the petty cash book maintained as per petty cash book on online impressed system for the month ending on 31st December 2015 from the following information pass journal entries. Now, what is the month ending? 31/12/2015. So on 31/12/15 the entry will be stationery expense account debit 500, carriage account debit 90, wages account debit 980, tea and refreshment account debit 200, miscellaneous expense account debit 300, to petty cashier account 5, 14, 16, 19, 2070. Is everyone clear with this total amount? And then 1st January 2016, next day, the entry will be petty cashier account debit to cash account 2070. Any doubts with this? Make a small format of journal. Heading journal entry for petty expenses. More seconds, do it fast. 20. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now be attentive. First, at the end of the month, 31st December, we will record all the expenses. So write down 31/12/15. Debit all expenses and losses. So stationery expense account debit 500. Carriage account debit 90. Wages account debit 980. Tea and refreshment account debit 200. Miscellaneous expense account debit 300. Don't talk in between. An amount is payable to petty cashier, credit the payable. So to petty cashier account 5, 14, 16, 19, 2017. B. Petty expenses incurred in December. B. Petty expenses incurred in December. Okay. Then 1st January 2016. Now 1st January 2016, the main cashier will give 2070 to petty cashier. So petty cashier is the receiver, debit the receiver, petty cashier account debit 2070. Cash goes out, credit what goes out to cash account 2070. Any doubts on this? Being petty cash given to petty cashier and 5140. Did you all understand how to pass these journal entries? Any doubts with it? Good stuff.